Hey there, let me show you the main Slack's interface. First, we have the search bar. You can search past messages, files, channels, people. You can also add modifiers and filters to narrow down your search. The shortcut is CTRL G as in golf or CTRL F as in foxtrot. Compose button. You can start new conversations here, select channels, direct messages, and more. The shortcut is CTRL N as in November. Sidebar pages. You can find here a group of old threads, direct messages, mentions, reactions, drafts, saved items, and more. It'll make your navigation on Slack easier and faster. Channels. This is a widely used section. You can see here channels, start and custom channels. Direct messages. All one-on-one conversations you have with individual team members will be shown here. The shortcut is CTRL SHIFT K. All together, CTRL SHIFT K.